Hey everyone, Mitchell Gould here, and going over the LinkedIn Ads video view metrics, along with showing you how to create a retargeting audience for video viewers. So let's jump into it. So to see your video view metrics, if you're running video assets, and typically those are run under the video view campaign objective, you're going to go to the advertise section, go to your campaigns or your ads, and then you can go to the column section and you'll select video. And this is going to show you your video-based metrics. So we can see impressions, plays, which is the number of times the video starts to play. And then if we scroll over here, we have views. So if someone watched 2 or more continuous seconds while the video was at least 50% in view of the screen, that's what counts as a view. We have the view rate, so views divided by impressions times 100 to give it a percentage. Cost per view here is CPV. And then the metrics that I really like to take a look at are how much of the video the user is watching. So you can see views at 25% of the video length, at 50%, 75%, and completions. And then along with the completion rate. So the completions, if they watch at least 97 to 100% of the video, that will count as a completion, as well as if someone skipped to the end of the video within 97 or 100% of the video length, that will count as a completion too. And then we have the completion rate and full screen plays. So it's really helpful to look at these at the campaign level as well as the ad level to understand which video assets are performing well. I like to try to optimize towards videos that users are going to continue to watch and have long retention, so we can then retarget them if they watch at least 50% or even 75% of a video. That's the great thing about LinkedIn ads is within LinkedIn they have native retargeting for targeting video viewers, which I'm going to show you in a second. And in terms of content, what I've seen do really well for my clients is I had a client running a lot of thought leader style ads, so they're providing a lot of valuable content. It's a pretty simple setup where it's just talking head style ads, but they're providing a lot of valuable information that was relevant to the target audience. So we ran videos that were up to 9 minutes long, and we had quite a few people watch at least 75% of them, and quite a few watch all the way through, which was really interesting to see. And we also ran 30 to 60 second shorter thought leader style ads, which did well too. But we did see the longer videos in that instance do really well. So it's always worth testing different lengths, different styles of videos. But if you're thinking of where to start, some thought leader style ads can be a great place to start. So that's a basic overview of what I've seen do well and the video metrics to take a look at. Look at them at the campaign and ad group level. And before you launch your campaigns, once you set up your campaigns, I suggest creating retargeting audiences for these video viewers. So to do that, you can go into the plan section, go to audiences, and then under the match audience tab, click create audience and create a matched audience. And then you're going to go to video, click next. So I just gave it a simple name, video viewers. They watched at least 50% in the last 90 days. So you go to the how did they engage, and you can see it says people who viewed at least 25% of your video ad up to 97%. So I suggest creating buckets for all these, but just for an example, I'll create a 50% one here. And then when did they engage? They engaged in the last 90 days. So once they watch that video, they'll stay in this retargeting audience for 90 days. After that, they'll drop out. You can create 30-day, 60-day, up to 365-day buckets. When I'm running this for clients, I like to create buckets for all the percentages watched along with all the time buckets here, just so you have that data set up. And then next, you'll find your video campaigns and you'll select them. And then you'll click agree and create. So you'll have to do that for all the percentage buckets along with all the time frame buckets that you want to create. But I suggest creating those, and you can always run like a text-based retargeting ad to make sure those audiences don't get archived. But it's helpful to have all those audiences created so you can use them down the road. So then you click agree and create, and that will create them. So I just wanted to give a quick overview of video view metrics and what you can take a look at, along with going over how you can create that retargeting audience. If you have any questions on that, please put them in the comments section. I'd be happy to help you out there. And thanks for watching and have a great day.